Can I truly make money online? You might wonder, isn't that some kind of ruse, or isn't it implausible? Sure, it may appear that way. The truth is that you may make $100 or more each day online from almost anywhere in the world. This might happen when working from home, on the road, or at a foreign resort. But it's not easy, and there's no way to make money quickly. To get started, you'll need to put in a lot of effort. The ultimate side hustle is making money online. If you devote enough time to honing your craft, the side income you make from making money online can be very lucrative. Some people will do this in their spare time, while others will turn it into a full-time job. Assume you make $48,000 per year in your current position. That's a month's salary of $4,000 for you. Even if you make $400 per month or $100 per week from an internet side hustle, that's a 10% increase. This is fantastic if you want to make some extra money, but we'll speak about how to do more so that you can make money in the long run. Let's look at how you might begin earning money while working from home or wherever you like. Number 1, make your own online course. If you're an expert in a certain field, teaching others how to do it might be quite lucrative. The world of online education is huge, and many websites provide both free and commercial course creation tools. Using a platform that allows individuals to sign up and access your content is the ideal approach to establish an online course. These are some of the platforms: Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable. The following are some of the most popular themes for creating online courses: how to prepare a meal, beginners crocheting, designing and decorating your home, how to write a program, how to earn money through blogging, how to write attractive copy, painting and drawing. Number 2, teach music lessons over the internet. On sites like Tech Lessons and Lessons Face, you can teach others how to play an instrument if you're a great musician. You'll be able to provide music lessons on a variety of instruments, including the piano and guitar. Using these websites, students can look for professors based on their requirements. Although the demand for music lessons fluctuates depending on your region, availability, and what you're teaching, providing music lessons can still be a terrific method to make money online for a novice. Number 3, teach English on the internet. On a service like VipKid, you may teach English to children in foreign countries. VipKid is an online platform that connects English teachers with Chinese children. Students range in age from elementary to high school, and you'll be paid $14 to $22 per hour to educate them via video conference on the VipKid platform. You have complete control over your schedule and can work as many or as few hours as you choose. One of the biggest advantages of teaching on VipKid is that you don't need to be certified to get started. Number 4, make a career as a business coach. While assisting other business owners in growing their enterprises is a fantastic method to generate money online, it may not be the greatest option for beginners. Coaches can come from a variety of topics, such as teaching people how to launch an e-commerce store, generating videos or content strategy for CEOs, or providing social media marketing assistance. If you have a skill in a specific field, such as blogging, you might want to pursue coaching as a component of your own business. You can teach things like how to use technology, marketing strategies, product creation and sales, and more. Business coaches might charge anything from $200 to $500 per hour or even more, and some even charge a monthly membership fee. While business counseling can be extremely rewarding, you'll also need to be an expert in your field, as other business owners are entrusting their livelihood to you. Number 5, make a career as a life coach. A life coach encourages, educates, and motivates people to make positive changes in their lives. When you decide to become a life coach, you'll take 2 main steps. Step 1, Get your life coach certification by completing classes online or at a location like the Institute for Life Coach Training, because becoming a certified life coach can cost anywhere from $1,500 to $15,000 or more. Having a strategy in place for how you will generate money with your certification is critical. Step 2. Make your own website and social media accounts so that potential clients may easily find you. You might also include details about your coaching philosophy and, of course, the services you provide. It's also crucial for clients to understand how you can help them if you can add content on your site on a frequent basis. Life coaches can earn money online by delivering one-on-one and group coaching sessions, video chats, and other resources to help clients improve their lives. If they are available where you live, you might also want to explore advertising your services on sites like Thumbtack or Care.com. Number 6. Learn how to work as a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants help clients with a variety of duties, including making phone calls, responding to emails, coordinating travel plans, and formatting documents and reports. VAs may write material, update search engine optimization, and reply to comments for an online company such as a blog. This type of work necessitates the following abilities: communication abilities that are exceptional, multitasking abilities, computer literacy is important. A VA's hourly income ranges from $15 to $25 per hour on average. However, specialized VAs can typically earn more. You can find employment as a virtual assistant on Upwork or by searching Facebook groups for virtual assistants. Number 7. Become a tutor. Becoming a tutor on a website like Chegg is one way even a novice can make money online. Chegg is an academic help website where you may join up to tutor students from all over the world in subjects like math, physics, English, or any other subject covered by your degree. As a tutor, you'll make $20 per hour. You can also work as a freelance tutor and recruit your own clients. You'll need great teaching skills as well as understanding of a certain topic area for this. You may also improve your reputation by using services like Wizard, which allows users to search for teachers in their area that specialize in the areas they need. Number 8. Write ebooks and sell them to Amazon. Amazon will promote your ebook to people all around the world, so whether you already have a following or not, this could be a viable choice for you. All you have to do now is write your book, format it, and upload it to Amazon. You can even hire a ghostwriter to help you write your book. Because of the minimal initial expenses and tremendous potential, selling ebooks can be a viable method to make money online. However, generating money with ebooks is difficult, so even if you can write a book, you'll need to sell it and get it in front of potential clients. Additionally, publishing ebooks requires time and effort, which may not be worth it in terms of return on investment unless you have a ready-to-go following or platform. If you decide to write one or more ebooks, you'll have to think about these items. Number 9. Offer graphic design services for sale. Logos, brochures, flyers, and other materials are created by graphic designers. To produce the intended design, a graphic designer will use Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe InDesign. You can showcase some of your previous creations on sites like Behance or Dribbble so that others can contact you with chances. Fiverr is also an excellent resource for finding clients in need of your services. Graphic designers can earn a wide range of hourly or project-based remuneration. It's best to conduct some study on how much to charge based on the type of graphic design you're creating and the clients you're working with. Number 10. Begin a drop shipping company. Drop shipping is a business concept in which no inventory is kept. Instead, you construct a website where you promote things for sale, and when a buyer purchases these products from you, you are effectively a middleman between the manufacturer and the buyer. and you keep the difference between the price you charge and the manufacturer's pricing. Dropshipping is one of those enterprises where the only initial outlay is the expense of setting up an internet store. As a result, you won't have to acquire any of the things you offer unless you want to test them for yourself or produce video Facebook advertising to increase sales. The dropshipping firm with which you work fills the order and ships it to your consumer. While running a business like this requires some understanding of how websites work online and how cross-border shipping works, it may also be highly profitable if done right. For more informative and educative tips on how to make money online, follow us and subscribe on our page.